Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this girl? Oh my god. She just lost a fingernail. Who is this girl? Is not equivalent exchange.
悪いやつは好きだぜ。ぶっ殺しても誰も文句言わねえからな。殺してやろう。
It's Blade Man versus Chainsawman! Oh my god, I feel so sorry for anyone who watched it as it was airing. Aki, senpai だろ。
こいつてめえの仲間だろ。さあさあ、そこで座ってな。
Uh-oh. He's gonna slice right through him. Knew it. Oh, goodness. Bruh. How many times is Denji gonna die? Aki senpai, 何やってます? Everybody dead. Wait, where's Kombene? Arai? Wait! There's no way. Maki, there's no way. There is no way. There are a couple of bodies missing. Where is Kobeni? I knew it. 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 Ha ha. I like how they have matching scars. Oh my god. Sus. Big sus. Where did those holes come from?
近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
ああ？
変な感じってどういう？
スクワッシュ。
C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
さっきから C 班との連絡が取れないんだ。
あの女。
Wait, what's going on? Wait!
なんで俺たちも明確しよ
う。1階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。おい、聞いてるのか、三島。
One life for. She's got the death note, devil! Wait, can't she just go splatterty splat splat on these two too? She needs to know the name though. なるほどね。
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。
ヘリ、尻尾。
Broken. Oh, she broken. Oh, goodness gracious me. It's the crazy ones.
あとこれを。
何？
僕の辞表です。最後に教えてください。マキマさんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。まどかくん、今までありがとう。これは
Smartest character. Can't blame him. That's so true. Dude, why would you ask before you decide to quit? You should ask and then you quit. Oh, Aki-san da. To positions are switched. How the tables have turned. How the turntables.
4か誰が生き残ってる？
Kobeni. Was he gonna?
リンゴ1個だけ残しといてやるよ。
Denji really just stole his apples? Bro, not cool. How long does Aki-san have to live? Is he gonna kill himself? Aki-san! Dame desu! Aki-san!
カス、俺はあと何年生きれる？
Oh no! 2 years? 2 years. Oh, Aki-san.
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。
Somebody's a little broken. Do you feel bad about Himeno dying? Can I be honest? I mean, I was sad for Aki. But I mean, like, you didn't really spend much time with her. You know? I don't know. That's messed up, babe. I don't know. I'm just like, you didn't really... Oh. I mean, I was like, damn. But like, you know. I felt really bad for Aki. Bae broken too.
マキマさんが指導してくれるんですか？
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
津田健だ！
俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Bruh. Dead again? It's been like 10 minutes!
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、お前たちみたいな悪魔が一度も
Is
な
this
い。
the training arc?
やった
Wait,
俺は
training arc at 10? Episode 10?
そして、
マジ？
お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで、俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
え？
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
も
じゃあ正解だ。俺がお前たちを最高に生かしたやつら
You're
に
gonna
して
be
やる。
some pair of serious badasses!
コン。
ほら出てけえへんやろ。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろ、ね。
No, calm!
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか。
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
いいね、アキさん！
また頭が故障しておる。
What the?
俺は今日何回殺された
20回以上じゃ。
Oh my god. The restart. Is that how it works? If you're brain dead, you just have to... Oh my goodness.
あいつは超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
漫画とかの頭いいキャラ見て戦えたらいいな。
いやいや、無理。
頭脳であいつを。
無理。それは無理。無理や。さすがに無理や。Impossible. No. That's impossible. That's not happening. Literally, that's when one single brain cell finds another brain cell, and then together it's like 2 brain cells, and they're like,
この血の匂い。
あれ？
来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつ。
ちょい待ちな。メガネ Does that actually do anything? Is the glasses buff? やるな、ジジイ How the turntables! Not the メガネ No! Not the メガネ Why is he walking like that? 大丈夫 He's swaying.
いるんは未来の悪魔。
未来の悪魔。
一人は寿命半分、もう一人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
What? One person lost half their lifespan, the other one lost all their senses? Half his life isn't much anyway. Yeah, but... This is the I read the manga devil! It's the all-seeing eyeball! I can see 2 pages ahead. I wonder what he's gonna have to give up though. I can't believe someone said it's the I've read the manga devil. I know what happens. I know what happens 2 pages in advance.
Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho!
What the? I feel like they're gonna become best friends.
未来最高お前は俺の何が欲しいか言え
最高。未来最高。
過去最悪な態度だぞお前未来次第で契約内容は考えるぜ早くお腹に頭を突っ込め
Come on! Listen up! Aki-san. She just wants to party. It's kind of gross.
契約はこうだお前の右目に俺を済ませろそれだけでいいのかって顔だななぜならお前は未来で最悪な死に方をするどういう死に方をするか聞きたいかお前は言わなくてもいいさっさと目に入れ
No spoilers. Oh!
よし
They landed a cut!
これでもっと悪魔を殺せるそうすりゃマキマさんとランデブーや
He's so confused.
これからもデンジ君とパワーちゃんをよろしくお願いします
This kid, not impressed.
俺もあいつら嫌になってきちゃったな
おじいさん
それで
おじさん He's got children. He's liking them as children.
人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ
私は悪魔から一人でも多く人を救いたいだけです
嘘つき
Whoa! Whoa! ちょっと待って。待って。That smile!
じいちゃんのお気味
Wait, the zombies!
借金を返せないクズどもで
They're alive! Wait, is he gonna wear Himeno's iPad? Oh, never mind.
今回弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて
But we are in a
俺が
manga.
負けて死んだ
最後にこの言葉を送る
Oh, yes.
得意科にはまともな奴はいないから気をつけな
Give parting advice. Shout it, you know. You always have to have the last word when you're like 5 meters away from them. And they can somehow perfectly hear you. Don't worry about it.
契約の内容は
10の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに
The gun devil needs money. Hi.
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます
She needs the names. She needs the names.
デビルハンターは学のないバカが多いっつうからわからないのも当然かね
I don't think this is smart.
これはお金じゃありませんここにいる皆さんの父や母姉妹恋人奥さんの目です
は
お返しします
What the heck? Don't mess with Makima, actually.
特訓して頭も良くなったからね楽勝じゃ
Poor Kobeni.
帰りたい
Got it!
サメの魔人
What
どん
the?
な場所でも泳ぐこと暴力の魔人な
What? You can't introduce so many new characters. Oh, cool. That it.
普段は人間のような形をしている
Cool.
感触で人を殺すぞ
Oh, pinchy. Tenshi!
天使の悪魔
Whoa! Wait, he's using a sword. Oh, it's a different sword.
よく僕に近づけるね触れられたら寿命短くなるのに
目残しだったら大丈夫なんだろ
There's nothing to shorten. Okay, that's a little bit sad, okay? He's doing the best he can, okay? He lost everything, okay? But he has he has the Mirai demon, right? Shouldn't he know where they are if he can look into the future? And this is not like a always thing. Oh! Makima-san! Makima-san da! Let's go! Makima-san! Oh wow, you are terrifying, miss. I applaud you. They got death noted. I'm so curious. Makima's devil contract, I must know. Why do you like her so much? Because I don't know anything about her. That is the law of attraction. The less you know about something, the more you are attracted to it.
おとなしく投稿しろ。
レディ吐き出し
Spit it out. Wait a...
幽霊あいつを殺せ
Oh, wow. That's a low blow. That is a very low blow. Who is this brat? Come on, Aki-kun! Your ponytail gives you strength. Ghost! Come on, Ghost! 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 Really? Nah. Mazide! He has to have plot armor, right? Please. Koa, koa, koa. Okay. Hime, no. Oh, flashback time. Knew it.
一本あげる。
未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな。
Saitida. Why is it always underage with her?
君が大人になって
Is he crying? Eh? No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I feel the tears. Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna cry. Easy, Rivette. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Ah! Ah!
幽霊の悪魔には目がないから恐怖心を見る。姫の先輩が言っていたことだ。
The man's got no more fear left. So true. I'm not crying for her. I'm crying for him. Actually, I'm just crying in general. Into conflicting emotions.
殺すな。
Oh, Kobeni, Kobeni, Kobeni. Nice, Kobeni.
小紅、お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ？
Sneak 100. Cause she's crazy.
もうすぐボーナスが出るの。
Honestly, you go. Get that bag. Zombie だ。
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名はパワー。こいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。わしについてこい。
出たなもみあげマン。
待て待て待て、少し話さないか。
It's bait. Denji, it's bait. Denji.
お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
全然。
I mean, they chopped me. They chopped Denji into pieces, bro.
少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
やだ。
じゃあ切り殺してよ。
What the?
やってみろよベ
Did he just unsheath his hand? Did he just unsheath his hand? Nice glove, bro. Go Denji! Go Denji! Is that his activation? Naruhodo. What if it accidentally, like, his hand comes... Whoa. What if his hand accidentally comes off in, like, a situation? What happens then? It's just like you're reaching for a cup of coffee at like a coffee shop and it's like, uh-oh. Did an oopsie.
この生活を守るためだからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
You don't know the life he's lived. You know, in another world, they would have been great brothers. I'm sorry. Ah! Come on, Denji! Above! There's a human! He's in the stance.
ああ、禁止にしようぜ。
Literally, it's the pose. He dabbing. Denji.
終わりだ。
Denji, I thought you were better than this.
もう戦えないだろう。
まだ戦えるぜ。
え
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか。
え
引き時ってやつをよ。
What? Denji-kun, what was that training?
頭狙ってくれてよ。
Wait, what?
アンガとなバーカ。
Oh my god!
ジジイに教わらなかったか。狩人の言葉信じるなって。
Wait, he has 4 tries! Why is he naked?
今から大会を開く。大会？最強の大会にはこいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。
ちょい待って。ちょい待って。
だから
ちょい待って。
大会を開く。
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold
お
on.
互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
ちょっと待って。
呼んねえのか。
俺たちの仕事はこいつを
Come on, Aki-san, you know you want to.
ぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。
そんなことしたって。
Come on, come on,
先輩は喜ぶ。
come on. You know you want to be petty. Come on,
あ、
come on. Easy revenge. Come on. Himeno would have loved it. Remember when you were petty? Himeno would have been so down. Do it.
勝ったら何くれんだ。へ、そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
Oh, what's with this like music transition? What happened to Snake Lady though?
Himeno senpai, 天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムが。
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という
My goodness, this show is nuts. This show is nuts.
銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ
1.4 kilo.
ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Let's go.
ついに
Let's go.
どこに
I feel like we've just finished the prologue for the actual anime. This is where it begins. Ah, it's like they're all siblings. Ah, they're all family. Gyoza party da. Ah. Oh, wait, there's more? There's more. Ah, you gonna sit down in your chair, Oji-san? Easy revenge. Have it framed. Did he changed the brand as well? One last smoke. What a chill scene. He's smoking that very quickly. Ara? Kodomo da. Bae knows how to smoke confirm. No! Because normally doesn't it go slowly? Like in other animes, it always goes slowly. Wait, there's more. Oh yeah, the door! Wait, infinite loop? Wait, what? Huh? I don't even remember what happened at the beginning. Denji-kun.
いつも見る夢だ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
え？
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
え？え？え？は？終わり？終わり？Holy moly! Rating? That was pretty good. I think for me that was like a 9.2 out of 10. The reason why is because I think it's a little short. I think if I watched it with like the entire... how do I say this? It's similar to the, like, if... It feels like it's part of a much longer, like, anime, obviously. It's very short, it's action-packed, you know. I need more in order for me to judge it. But, as a first season of 12 episodes, 9.2. Yeah.